January is joyful, jolly and jubilant, instilling the sense of newness and wonder. Its energy and vitality peak while the heavens open doors to new avenues and opportunities. It has given birth to many noble souls of the likes of Martin Luther King, Mozart, scientists like Newton and Kepler, artists like Cézanne, among others, people who have walked through these doors, paving the way for humanity to follow. We highlight the life of January-born Dr. Stephen Hawking, who suffers from a rare neuromuscular disorder that has paralyzed him from the neck down, disabling his limbs and speech. He conducts complex mathematical calculations in his head, and communicates the results through a special computer attached to his wheelchair. He has visualized and predicted black holes in space, objects smaller than atoms that are millions of times heavier than our sun. Their gravitational field is so intense that even light cannot escape from it. Recently, one such black hole has been found in our galaxy, the Milky Way, corroborating his prediction. His discovery of black holes link astronomy with what happens within atoms, marrying the areas of general relativity with quantum mechanics, opening new frontiers in physics.